Quit feeding the AI prompts. Start hurling it with crisis. That is the ultimatum from Silicon Valley now. Sundar Pichai just unleashed Gemini DeepThink, and the stakes are moving hard and fast. We are through with the AI that merely parrots notes. We are actually charging into the era of the digital polymath. The mission? Confront the wreck, master the mayhem, defeat the riddles where the winning move isn't written. Most AI models panic when the rules are blurry. They hallucinate when the data is incomplete. But DeepThink was built in the lab with the scientists. It is designed to think through the uncertainty. It doesn't just retrieve, it reasons, and the numbers backing this up, they're really, really good. ARC-AGI 2, this is the benchmark for general reasoning. Gemini hits 84.6%. Then there is, of course, the humanities last exam. Sounds dramatic? It should, because it is. DeepThink scored 48.4%. Wow. And it did it without using external tools. Raw compute. Add in a gold medal performance in the 2025 Math Olympiad, an ELO rating of 3455 in competitive programming. Physics, chemistry, these aren't marketing, just silly things. These are the limits of synthetic intelligence being tested in real time. But skepticism is healthy. Benchmarks are one thing, the real world is another. However, early users are spotting something a little different here. We have mathematicians using this to find flaws in papers that already passed peer review. That's scary. Human experts missed it. The machine caught it. It is designing crystal growth methods for semiconductors. It is modeling complex physical systems. We are watching the transition, ladies and gentlemen, from productivity tool to knowledge accelerator. And here is where it gets tangible for the builders. So listen in. DeepThink is bridging the gap between theory and the physical world. Engineers are using it to interpret dense data sets. They are converting sketches directly into 3D printable objects. It doesn't just describe the object, you know. It helps you hold it in your very hand. And Google is making sure this gets everywhere. So if you are on AI Ultra, you have it in the app. If you are a developer, it is in the early access API. This is the ecosystem play. Google wants DeepThink embedded in every research lab and engineering pipeline by the end of the year. This upgrade, as we know, didn't happen in a vacuum. Because weeks ago, Alibaba's Qwen model stunned the market. It beat Gemini 3 Pro, it beat GPT 5.2 on humanities last exam. China, of course, is all in on reasoning efficiency. OpenAI and Anthropic, on the other hand, they are betting the house on the agents. AI that does things. Google is betting, on the other hand, on scientific intelligence. The race isn't about who chats the best anymore. It is actually about who solves the hardest problems, and that too, faster. And here, of course, is the front page take. First, we had research. We got answers. Then, we had reasoning. We got logic. Now, we are entering the phase of discovery, which is new materials, new medicines, new engineering solutions. The AI isn't just reciting the textbook anymore. It's actually helping us write the next chapter. But I actually really want to know, what do you think? Is this the breakthrough scientists needed, or is it just another benchmark battle? Please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.